Today is Tuesday. We're gonna be working on legs. I'm gonna be doing squat. I'm gonna be using this belt in order to, try to relieve the pain I have in my back. So this will be it. I'm gonna show you how to do squat properly in the good form. All right? See you there. Thank you.
Hey guys, what's up? Today we are going to talk about how we should be doing squats properly because this is so important. Squats and deadlifts are the most important exercises you can do at the gym, and I mean it. By doing squats, you work everything, all muscles in your body is part of making sure that you go down and you go up. You go down and you go up. And let's say that if you do it properly, then there is no problem. Me personally, I have a little back issues, a little lower back pain, so I have to wear belt, and it, helps me decreases the possibility of the likelihood of having any injury. Now, let's say, you find a foot stance that feels best for you. That means you have to make sure when you doing squats, you feel comfortable. You don't feel a little pain in your back, a little awkwardness. No, you have to feel comfortable. It's hard, yes, but you have to feel comfortable doing it. Now, step up to the bar. Place your hands about the same width as a bench press, and make sure you are even on the bar before unracking it. Take a deep breath. Step under the bar and unrack it. All right? Bringing your toes slightly outwards helps some, but keeping them parallel is fine too. If you're not sure what's best, start by putting your feet shoulder width apart and putting about 15 degrees outwards. Again, sir, I cannot emphasize more. You have to feel comfortable during this exercises. You cannot be moving, from side to side but first of all, you have to start very light. You have to get accustomed. Your back needs to start feeling, the weight just a little by a little, and you're going from there. Your chest is raised. At no time during the squat should you bend over at the lower back or look down. You cannot look down or look up. Of course, you have to bend over at the hip, more on the latter. You should not look up either. So you should be able to look at straight forward. Take a deep breath again. Contract your abs and descend. It should feel like you are sitting back on the chair behind you, not going straight down. Keep your knees in line with your feet. Do not let your knees bow in any time during the lift. Now, if you follow those, principles, those rules, you will be great. There are so many benefits, and they are amazing. You'll feel them in your everyday lives. Squats strengthen your legs, glutes, and many other muscles. Improve your lower body mobility. Keep your bones and joints healthy. Raises your testosterone. It makes you push, anything like bench press a little much easier. Start light and grow from there. Squats are the foundation of many workouts program. Hopefully you will feel more confident about doing them now. All right, guys, this is it for today. Make sure you subscribe. If you have any question, leave them, on the comments below. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.